Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome yet again to another video. If you're brand new to my channel, you're in digital marketer. In this channel we talk about affiliate marketing, ways to make money online, and the mindset. Now if you're brand new and you have not subscribed to my channel, hit that button that says subscribe. Also hit the notification button and the bell notification button so you guys know exactly when I release my videos, when I release them, and you are the first ones to get them. Okay, and also be on the lookout because in the next couple of weeks I'll be releasing my free affiliate marketing course. I pour my heart into it because I wanted to give you the best information I have, the one that's gonna be evergreen, that's gonna give you a foundation to start affiliate marketing as your priority business. Okay, because you want to create a business that's gonna last you a long time, not just to make a quick buck online like a lot of people tend to do, and then they think they're gonna become millionaires overnight. That's not how this works. Okay, and also I really appreciate everybody that has subscribed, and I will appreciate comments on my course. I want to know that the information that I'm giving you is understood by you, and that you guys gonna actually apply the things that I teach you on my course. You're actually going to take action, okay, and implement what you learn. Now this video we're gonna talk about data entry jobs that you guys can earn up to $200 to $500 a week. Okay, and I'm gonna show you quite a few websites that you guys can go and apply for these jobs, and also, you know, just get started working from home. So we're gonna jump into my computer, guys, and I'm gonna show you exactly which jobs and websites you need to apply for. The first website that I want to show you is called onlyremotejobs.com. okay, remote data entry and customer service jobs. This is an international workforce, and you can find your ideal work from home in no time. No registration fees, no investment required, only remote jobs. Now you're gonna click where it says find me a job, and then you guys are gonna go and click on that, and you guys going to enter your information, and you can also contact them by clicking on this blue button right here. Now we're gonna click on about us because I want you to see that it says only remote jobs help freelancers, remote workers to find data entry and digital customer service jobs. We employ and hire freelancers to small, large companies in different industries, and regularly have interest job openings available. So if you guys want to work from home and you want to be connected to the job that you guys are interested in, only remote jobs could be the one website that can help you find those type of jobs. Go right now, click on the button that says find me a job, and fill your information. You will be start working within the next few hours. Okay, so if you stay until the end of the video, I'm gonna show you one place that you guys can actually go and apply and probably be able to make up to $3,000 a month. Okay, but we're gonna continue. We're gonna go into the next one. The next website is called Clickworker.com. Okay, data powered by crowd intelligence, fast, accurate, and global. Okay, they got AI research development, e-commerce, retail, and point of sales marketing. Okay, so they have what is called our solution at glance, right? We support you with our microtasking industry solutions and provide thousands of data sets. These data sets are collected, created, or processed by our global crowd of more than 2.2 million click workers. That will be the type of job. You can do mobile cross sourcing, AI training data, web search, text, surveys, product data management, and categorize and tagging. Okay, so you're gonna click on about us, all right, and then you gotta go to careers. Okay, become a part of an innovative and international company. So this can work worldwide. Clickworker is one of the world's leading providers of crowdsourcing solutions and services. Okay, we offer you the opportunity to develop your talents and abilities to make the best use of them. Okay, so you gotta go over there, and then you guys are gonna register right here. Now, as you can see, some other clients, T-Mobile, Tennis Point, ShareWise, Wi-Fi, I don't know what that is, but some of you might be familiar with. Okay, so you guys can go contact for Clickworkers if you need to ask any questions about the jobs. All right, so you guys can go check this website and start earning money as a Clickworker. Okay, you can click on this button right here, and then it says profit your talents. Clickworkers always looking for internet users worldwide who can, for example, create or correct text, participate in surveys, or search and categorize data for us. Okay, so if it's something that you're interested in, I will highly suggest to actually go register right now and start applying for these data entry jobs. Okay, we're gonna jump into the next website. Now, this is remote.com, and I put this website on a previous video, from work from home jobs, and this one is an online data entry job. Okay, you have all types of actual work by niche. You have accounting, customer service, data entry, design, developer, editing, healthcare, you name it. What's the ability that you have? What's the knowledge that you have? You can apply for any of the jobs. You click on data entry, and then they have remote transcribers, conference and business transcriptions. Okay, and then you can click right here, and then you can see all the jobs. All right, data entry jobs right here, remote design, remote developer jobs, so online editing jobs, so remote healthcare jobs. They have so many jobs right here, and as you can see, 10 hours ago they put this 3 days ago, so you can actually check the jobs that are opened right now by how many days have been in the marketplace, and you can actually sign up for free. There's nothing for you to do. You sign up absolutely for free, and then you can go and find by company name, by keyword, whatever job you're interested in. This could be a very good website for you guys to find your data entry jobs. The next one, this is called Gmr Transcription. Okay, you gotta do transcriptions on translations, editing, and proofreading. Okay, and then we're gonna go here and we are gonna click on careers. All right, and as you can see, a career with Gmr Transcription is rewarding. Or transcriptionist translators typically earn between $1,000 to $3,000 per month, depending on their skills and the kind of work they take. For example, a transcriptionist will earn more if they are willing to take on more difficult assignments or files with expedite turnaround times. That means that maybe they need these files within 24 hours, 48 hours. If you're good at what you do and you want to improve yourself, you can earn up to $3,000 a month by taking on one of the most difficult jobs that they can give you. Okay, and right here, there's the current job openings after the date of this video being released. But you can also join the team, and they will connect you and contact you and give you the jobs that they have available. Okay, so all these jobs are absolutely free for you to sign up. All you need to do is the will to actually do the work and put your knowledge right for these companies so you can get paid handsomely. Now, if you're not interested in doing a data entry job, in this channel we talk about affiliate marketing, and I created a 4-video series of how you guys can go about and promote ClickBank products and what it takes for you guys to actually make a lot of commissions by doing it the right way. And if you're interested in doing that, the video series is coming right at the end of this one, so stay all the way to the end and you guys can start earning even more money by doing affiliate marketing. And you can actually do these data entry jobs and then you combine both of them, and you could be making up to $5,000 a month. You know, when you split it between data entry and affiliate marketing, it's all about you putting the time and wanted to do the work. So with that being said, I hope that this video helped you and that you guys actually take action and go apply for these jobs. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit that button that says subscribe, hit the notification button and the bell notification button so you guys know when I release my videos, when I release them. So we'll see you guys in the next one.